Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Kukri77. Hold up. I know what you're thinking. Let me just catch you up. So, I found a new place, blah blah blah. I found a stone wall where I got stone, and then I made it into stone swords, blah blah blah. I wish I had stone armor. Moving on with another Minecraft video. And well, let's just get started. So I have all my stone equipment, and there's some pumpkins over there, and some place which I don't want to go over there. So let's just go find some cows, or if we can, some iron or diamond or gold or anything which I can use as my armor, because right now the only thing I have is leather and I barely have any food. So hi sheep. Oh my god. Why do I suck? Come back here. Ugh. Stop running. Thank you. I finally got food. Oh my god. Sheep everywhere. Okay, first let me just eat some of them food. Okay, so I'm back to my normal self and attack. And where are you going? Where are you going, sheep? Where are you going? Come back here. Thank you. What just happened? Okay. This thing kills these sheep in 2 shots. Where are you going? Come back. Finally, got something. So, as you can see, I have a spawn bed and a new house and armor. I love this. Shake, dancing. Shaking and dancing every time. Wait, how didn't he die? I will get you. Come back here, sheepy. Oh my god. Oh, wool. I think I have lots of wool at this time. Where does this keep going? Come back. Okay, so I am officially at level 6, which is great. Oh, great. So let me just check my inventory. Oh, I have lots. I have lots of lamb chops. Just escape and kill some of these lambs. Don't watch me, sheepy. This is your brothers and sisters. He's like watching me eat it. I have to kill you now. At least I got some plants. Thank you. I'll go to that sheepy over there, because he's grey. Don't fall off the edge, don't fall off the edge. Oh, good. So I think I'm like done with all of this, and I might need you to... He fell. Oh my god, oh no, I fell too. Please don't be any drowned over here. Okay, let me just... It's fine, I'll just use my pickaxe and get me out of here. Let me just change my camera. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I can get out, right? Come on, piggy, let's go. Fine, you want to bathe there? Bathe there. There's a lot of coal there, so I'll go mine there later. I have to go mine some blocks at first. So let me just go. What can I make? I can't make a fishing rod. Why am I holding this? Wait, what? Oh my god, there's a witch. Do you hear that? Just take my sword. It is useful. Oh my god, you see that? You heard that, right? Where is that coming from? Oh my god, that's creepy. Okay, it's getting to night time. Let me just go into my bed. It's going to be night. Okay, so this is all the coal and stuff I have. I'm planning to build a small farm here, so yeah, that's all I got to say. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? You just sleep. It's not night, seriously. I'm literally scared. I don't have very good armor, and that witch is right somewhere. Do I have enough cobblestone with me? Yes, I can craft more. Let me just throw this egg. Please, I want a chicken in my house. Then I'll remove this pressure plate. No. Okay, I'm gonna sleep. Yes. Wait, what just happened? You saw that, right? It glitched. Okay, this is scary. Let me just go. I think it's on the other side. Okay, this is really creepy. This is really creeping me out. Who's there? Behind it? Over here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Zombies. I got it. Thank you. I'll just run. Okay, where was that sound coming from? That witch's sound. That was really scary. Because witches throw potions you won't know. I've once faced a witch who threw a wither potion on me. Wither. Now I know I don't need a wither anymore. I need a witch. Oh, you came out, Piggy. Where are you? Where are you, Piggy? Where's he stuck there? It's fine. Okay, so I'll just go mine some stuff and come back. Is it over here? Oh my god, no. Oh shit. Oh wow. Okay. More scarier than a witch is a... You guessed it, skeleton and creeper. No, creeper's even worse. Just jumping. Okay, there's some coal over there. Let me just get it. I know you can't see this, but I am literally... My legs are actually shaking from that. Because that was so damn scary. I hope you guys can see. Because my camera angle, lighting, nothing is good. So come on, give me some experience. I have lots of experience in mining. Come on, get me to iron. Yes, got one. And yes, thank you. Okay, so now it's time for the witch hunt. So now I'm going to find where that witch sound came from, And how it came. Oh, wolves. Cool. I don't have a bone, sorry. I can give you this. You like this? You like meat? I'll just feed this to you. I think I just got my own pet dog. Did I? Shut up, donkey. Take it. I want a wolfie. No. What are you doing? You killed it? Okay, fine. Eat. Why does my hunger keep going down? I don't get it. But I really wanted a wolfie. But the only way I'll get it is by getting a bone. And how can you get a bone? You guessed it, killing a skeleton. And where is the skeleton? Somewhere around here. Wolfie. Okay, fine. Bye, lamb chop. Wow. Okay, I hope you guys can see because one of my lighting just went off. Ow. Okay, hunt for the witch quest. Oh my god, my feet are shaking. I am trembling. I love those minifigures. I wish I could live now. Oh, great. Once I get diamond armor, I'll go face those stupid zombies. But not a creeper, because creepers will just blow up on your face. Get it? Blow up on your face. So what I'm planning to do is I'll be building a hoe, which will be very useful so that I can make my farm. I have some seeds, so I'll just make some. Of course, I don't have enough. 4, thank you. And let me just take them. Okay, so I got and hoe. How was it? Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it. Hoe. Ooh, I need a shovel. Shovel, thank you. I forgot that was there. So, if you guys can see, there are some like these stone pickaxe, these shovel. All of them are how to say this? They are my backup. Yeah, backup. So I got a bow from a dying skeleton. Now, what I need is 3 strings and I'll make this. So I need a whole leather armor because at this time I have only 2 things with me. So I'll just get started with hoeing. And I need some water source, right? So what to do now? Great, I don't have a water source. I need to make a bucket. Oh, great. It's already turning into... Oh. Oh, do your thing. Okay, so you guys can see the rest of this. And let me just see what else is there in this magnificent yet scary world. Okay, so there's not much to do. And okay, so I'll go to a quest. I will go all across, like all the way away from my home, and I will be like, my spawn point will be right here. Oh, I have 2 more seeds. I didn't know. Okay, so let me just plant these. And okay. And so I will go all across without any stuff with me. Like, I'll just keep on running until I die of hunger, thirst, whatever. That's my main goal. And now a creeper can't kill me because I'm in my home. Can they? Write it in the comment down below. Because I don't know anything in Minecraft. That's why I suck. I think I need more. I don't need a poppy. I don't need rotten flesh. I need to save all these. These mutton chops. I think I need to make one more chest. Let me just get this back. Wait, no, I need the whole thing. Yeah. Let me just... It went all the way down. I'm holding this. Okay, yes. Chest. Thank you. Oh. That makes it 32. This makes it 42. I think, yeah. 42, and this makes it 48. Okay, chest. Let's go. Let's see what you can do. Where should I place it? Right here? Right. Does this remove all the stuff in the chest? Of course it does. Oh my god, that was scary. Okay, sleepy time. Oh wow, this is actually really scary. Okay, so let me just place out my 2 chests. Where are you? Chests, yeah. Just 2 and then place and place. Yes, bigger chest. Wow, so much space. How to do this? Like putting all of it inside it. All. So these are all... What is this black thing? Black wool. I thought it was obsidian. I was thinking, I got obsidian. So then, I wish we could make obsidian armor. That would be really nice. And then, it could be the most strongest because obsidian is like really tough. No, bedrock armor. Bedrock. Diamond is easy to mine because it's like coal and all. It's just easy. So I'm going to start my run as like once I throw all the stuff inside this. Okay, so I can get more lamb chops. Let me have something to eat. Finally. Okay, my run. Is everything gone? Oh no, my armor. Oh, I almost forgot. Let me just take out this and this. Now officially I have no armor. You can dye these, right? Can you just say me how to dye these? Okay, my run. Okay, this is not actually very scary because I won't lose anything except for my experience. So experience doesn't matter for me at this time, so let's make a run. Oh my god, sneaky. Wait, I'm still sprinting. See, whenever that noise comes, like, it sounds like I'm not doing it. Oh my god, this will be scary. Okay, so as I said, this is my run, so I have nothing to lose. I hope you guys don't see this. Oh my god, it's empty. It's like absolutely empty. Okay, so there's some coal over here, and just take out this. Oh my god. Okay, so what am I supposed to do now? Wait for the dark. What is this place? Magma. Okay, so hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you later. Bye bye. And if you have anything to say, please say it in the comments down below. Anything, like how my camera is, anything, it's fine. I will reply to you. Bye, and hope you like my skin. Haha.